In this video, I'm going to talk about the indicators that we are using for our scalping purposes and that are giving very good, excellent results. So today I will tell you that how you can get the maximum benefit from these indicators. So basically, when you will get any signal from the indicator, then the alert will come on your screen. And for example, like this, if I switch my chart to 5 minute on gold, then you will see that the alert will be here that what was the last signal. Okay. Now I'm going back to the 15 minutes again. Okay. So you will be getting the alerts right now in the form of the alerts from the arrow indicator. The arrow indicator is the one that gives the alerts. Okay. And then the second thing is this, that you should not attach it only on one pair. You can use maximum pairs. Like you can see that my time frame is 15 minute and I have attached it on different currency pairs like Euro USD, Great Britain Pound USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, USD Canadian Dollar, Euro AUD, New Zealand USD, AUD USD, AUD Canadian. So you can add so many pairs on your MetaTrader 4 if you are completely into the forex trading and you are doing it in professional way. Because if this is the only source of income for you, then you should get the maximum benefit from the charts. It's not important that it should only be connected to gold, so get the currencies pair as well. Just make sure that the currency pair do not have the higher spread ratio. Otherwise, if they are having the higher spread ratio, then it is also not a bad thing. You can cover it when you are trading this, especially 15-minute chart. Okay guys, please note down one thing, that on the currency pairs and even on gold, I use it on 15-minute pair, 15-minute time frame. But on the gold, you also have an option to use it on 1 minute as well. So for example, you can see on the 1 minute, the last signal was the sell signal, but after that the market has gone down and these arrows doesn't repaint. I'm again repeating, these arrows doesn't repaint. All you need to do is this. For example, if you have decided to trade the 15-minute chart, then you should be on the 15-minute chart. Then you should not switch your time frame to the other time frame, because sometimes it happens that the arrows can disappear, and this is the little bit problem in the programming. Okay, otherwise this indicator doesn't repaint. There is no repainting factor when we are going to talk about these indicators. So just like for example, if the 15-minute chart is open and you are not going to skip your charts onto the other charts, then the arrows will not disappear. And especially when you get an arrow from this indicator, then you should not skip your charts in that format. Okay. Now let me tell you that how you can also get the signals on your mobile phone. Okay, so make sure that the MetaTrader 4 should be installed in your mobile phone, and then you will go onto your laptop or computer MetaTrader 4 and go to the tools and then go to the options. And when you go to the options, you can see a notifications tab here. So inside the notification tab, you just click on enable push notifications and then write the meta codes ID here. So where from you can get the meta codes ID? If you go to the settings of your MetaTrader 4, there is a meta code ID in every MetaTrader 4 on your mobile. So note down the meta code ID from your mobile phone MetaTrader and put that meta code ID inside the MetaTrader 4 that is attached on your laptop, and then press the test button, and then it will simply give a message on your mobile phone. And then whenever the signal will be appeared, then definitely you will be getting the signal as well on your mobile phone as well. Okay, one thing that for example, you just received a, for example, sell signal here, and it will be notified to you on your mobile phone as well. And after 15 minutes and more time, when the time will pass, then it will keep you updating with that the sell signal is still on the way. But it doesn't mean that you have to trade all notifications. So just make sure that the first notification that you have received, so you have to trade that one. Hopefully this concept is clear. Now let me tell you that what is the role of the other indicator that I am providing with the arrow indicator. So I am going to tell you about the role of this one. Okay, so for example, if I go to the Euro USD chart, then guys, you can see here, if I make the trend line here, or even if I look the direction of these yellow lines, you can see that these yellow lines are directed into the downward direction. So if we make the manual trend lines, you can see that basically the market is going on Euro USD into the downward direction. Now let's come to the point that should we trade all the arrows that are the buy and sell signals from the Euro USD? That's the answer. That's it's a no. So what we need to trade, first of all, we need to find the trend, that what the trend is going on. If the trend is going down, like you can also check the trend from your mobile phone as well. If you maximize and if you just minimize your candle size, then you will see that the market is going down on your mobile phone as well. And if you are in front of laptop or computer, you can also check it, that what the trend is going on. The direction of this indicator is already telling you that I am going into the downward direction. Now on the 15-minute, you can see we have received a sell signal, and that was the perfect trade, because we were not interested in buying this pair. We were more interested in selling this pair, because if the buy signal can come, then the market can go into another direction as well, and you can be on a shorter ride. But when you are trading with the trend, then you will get a very good ride. For example, let's talk about the market. So maybe on Monday the euro USD will experience a downfall up to here. So here you can increase your profitability, and your trade will have a very less chance to hit the stop loss. If you are using the stop loss, then definitely there will be less chance to go for the stop losses, and you will get like 80 to 90% success rate with this indicator if you use it with the trends. If you are using against the trend, then guys, definitely your success rate will be affected. Okay, now let's have a look on Great Britain Pound USD. If you look at the indicator yellow lines, then the indicator yellow lines is directed downwards. It means that it's also a sell signal, and the sell signal appeared on Great Britain Pound USD on 15-minute, then you can trade it. Okay, so for example, if the buy signal come here, I would not like to trade this one, because I would like the channel indicator to be directed like this, so that I can take any trade into the bullish way. And in that scenario, I will ignore the red signals from the arrow indicator, and I will trust on the blue signals that are given by the arrow indicator. So let me show you some other examples. Okay, now look at USD CHF. Now look, the things are reverse here. Now look at here. If we make the trend line here, then you can see basically the yellow lines are directed upward. It looks like that the plane is going into the sky. It has moved from the airport and now it's into the sky. So just take an example of the airplane. If the airplane is going into the sky, then trust on the blue signals. Now I have already told you these signals does not repaint. You have received a buy signal from the arrow indicator. Alert will be provided to you on your mobile phone as well, and if you have set up it on your mobile phone. Otherwise, the alert will be coming on your MetaTrader 4 on your laptop. Now you can see from here we have received a buy signal, and you can see the market is already up. Let's see other examples. Like on USD JPY, we have a buy signal and the trend was simply up, and you can check this trend even from your mobile phone if you are not in front of your laptop. Okay, and one more thing guys, sometimes it happens that the alert came on your mobile but the arrow didn't come here. So this could be due to the low speed from your broker end, low internet connectivity speed, and sometimes it creates a problem from the broker end. So there is no need to worry. Always check the trend. If you see that on mobile that USD JPY 15-minute chart is into the upward direction and you are getting a notification, and if you see that the current candle is also pumping up, then you can simply trade it. But if you are in front of your laptop or computer, then it will be very simple. Okay guys, now look at here. Now look at this scenario. USD Canadian dollar, if we make the trend line, and even if you look at the direction of the indicator, the yellow indicator, then it is telling you the market is going down. Now you have received a buy signal from the alert indicator, so we must not be interested in taking a buy position, because now you can see after a couple of candles the market again trying to go down. So that's why I am focusing on this point, that trade with the trend. If the trend is into the downward direction, then you should not go for the buy trade. Instead, you should have more charts attached on your MetaTrader 4 so that you can trade this way. Okay, now look at here. The volatility is very much high on AUD USD, Euro AUD, so you cannot easily trade this one. Okay, now look at here, New Zealand USD. Now look at here. Overall, the direction is down. You have received a sell signal. The market is pumping slightly down. So this could be fine. So buying chances are not good. Like buy signal was appeared here. The market little bit pump up again. It have a drop. So that's where we have the caution. We have to take care of this thing. Sell signal. This is the right signal. AUD USD. So AUD Canadian dollar. No signal right now. AUD CHF, the market is just ranging. So AUD JPY, look at here. If you look at here, then you can see the market is a little bit sliding into the upward side. So we are not interested in taking a sell position. However, this will give you the alert that the market can go down, but we are not interested. Okay, Euro JPY, if you look at here, we have received a buy signal here, and then after the market has went up. Okay, Euro New Zealand, look, the market is simply into the upward trend. Now you are getting the sell signals, so we are not going to trade these sell signals. We are more interested in buying the pair. So for example, the last signal was the second last signal was the buy signal. The market perfectly went up. However, the next signal is the sell signal. We are not interested in selling this pair. So this is the thing that I want to focus on, so that if you focus this way, then guys, you will be getting the results very, very good. Okay, now you can look at here, even with the downward trend, you have received a buy signal, the market went up, but we will simply ignore such type of opportunities. Now look at Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. It went up into the downward trend, but again the market is coming down, so that's the caution. Okay, now look at here, the downtrend is looking here on Great Britain pound JPY. You have received a sell signal from the arrow indicator. This is fine to go down. So hopefully this concept must be clear. So last example, look, the trend is up. We have received a sell signal on Canadian dollar JPY. Yes, the market went down a little bit more, into the downward direction, but we are not interested in selling this, because once we will get a blue arrow at any stage of this, the yellow indicator, then we will be interested in buying this pair because the trend is up. So guys, I am again repeating, if you use this indicator with the trend, you can receive up to 80 to 90% accuracy. But if you are using against the trend, then the accuracy should be lower in that scenario. You will be getting some good trades as well, but when you are going to trade against the trend, then it will be a little bit problem for you. So make sure that you should use it with the trend, and I hope that I have deeply explained you about everything, that you should not switch your charts and you should trade with the trends, and how to set up these indicators on your mobile phone as well. Hopefully this concept should be clear. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. And those subscribers who are willing to get these indicators, they can email me on info@200forexpips.com. They can contact me on Telegram. They can also contact me on WhatsApp. The links and the number is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you for watching this video.